magic world. I'm so bored. I got an idea. Dafu, let's go play in the garden. Dafu, are you giving up? You lost to me last time too, you know. The rule is simple. Whoever reaches the star fountain first wins. 3, 2, 1, go! Let me explain. That's Dafu's special magic skill, Magic Door. Watch me. Sparkle, sparkle, change magic. Pew, pew, pew. Dafu, my special magic is super cool, right? I have to catch him! Where did he go? Dafu? Dafu? Where did he go? I found you! Vine grab magic! Isn't my magic amazing, Dafu? I'm going ahead. I'm definitely going to win. What's happening? Did my magic stop working again? What's this? A dancing tree spirit? Did I summon new magic? I'm so awesome! It's starting to dance. It's finally over. Let's have a rematch next time.